Good afternoon, back again with another video. Fox DMR is an app you can download on a Windows device and any Android device. Doesn't say with the information I'm reading on a separate device whether it's available for Linux or Apple devices. But what I've got so far is Windows or Android devices with an internet connection. It's basically a desktop and mobile software application that functions as a hotspot-free or hotspot-less digital radio client. Now, to get it working, you need to do one or two things. If you're not into DMR, you need a radio call sign, because this is only for amateur radio. If you're into DMR, you're going to need a DMR ID. If you're already on Brandmeister and you want to try this on Brandmeister, you would also have to have a Brandmeister account, hotspot, security password, all the works that you require, that because you're already on Brandmeister, that you would need that information to come on here. So let's get this going. Connection. That is already preloaded onto your on this device. I don't need it, so you click on the Brandmeister profile and you need to add a profile. Label. Right, you can name this any way you like. Let's make an idiot of myself. As I'm part of the FreeSTAR network, let's have a look. DMR ID. Now, when you've got your DMR ID and you want to for this to work and receive, it's very similar to what you do on DMR anyway. When you're on Brandmeister or any other DOR network, you add a sub connection, because if you're on Brandmeister, and you probably normally would be, you can have more than one hotspot on DMR through Brandmeister, but you need the sub numbers to identify which hotspot you're actually using it off. So to make up an extra two numbers, I'll do 06. That's the correct number. I don't think you need a password for the moment. Now the server details. Come out of there. It's got Brandmeister. You click Others. Call sign. Let's have a look. 2E1 C. Oops. C E. So I can hear all this tapping. Q. Host. Right, okay. This is where I'm going to need my information. Right. DMR dot FreeSTAR. Dot network. After all this, I hope it actually works. It is. There you go. Double check the spelling. There it is. Port. That's the correct port for the moment. Okay, and save. Come out of that. And so we can connect. Hey, it's not. Cancel. Settings. PTT. edit. What did I miss? Ah, password. Save. Come out of that. Where you've seen this, creating profiles, you can add the profile probably for any other DMR network. So if you're not on FreeSTAR, and you're on Brandmeister or FreeDMR, TGIF, you can add as many profiles as you actually like. So come back out of that, and hopefully it will connect. It's connected. Fantastic. Right, go over to PTT. Now, what talk group do you actually want? If you see on the top right hand corner, it's got no talk group. So you click on that and you search a talk group. Now, by default, if I come back on that again, now by default, it's already got 91, 9990 and 268. Why that's there, I honestly don't know. But have we look. As we've actually got something going on in FreeSTAR starting today at some point and throughout the week till the 21st with GOTA. Let's try a particular talk group. Try that again. Let's have a look. Numbers 2, 3, 4, 2, 6. There you go. Use 23426 as a talk group. Subscribe. You've also got a chance of a private call, but you'll be using probably your own DMR call sign for that, and one-to-one chat with a friend. Click on that, and away you go. Now, as far as I'm actually to believe at this particular stage, as I found out from when I had this on my mobile phone, is that you probably need to press the TX button for it to be activated. So I'm going to do that for quickly and apologise if I'm going to interfere with the rest of the network. That's it, and that should be particularly active. Now, I don't think FreeSTAR is active at the moment. Let's see if I can find out. Blah 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 blah. Where am I? Oh yes. Do be with me for the moment. No, it's not active. Let's see if I can find an active talk group for you. That is actually on. I may not be able to TX. There's one I've got down there which is working, which is the Emergency Radio Long Island. Oh, hello. Oh, hang on. Did anybody come back? Because I think somebody's just keyed up. Or was that me? Well, I might also talk through it and see if I can get somebody and mention that just testing out Fox DMR. 2E1CQ, sorry to disturb anybody. 2E1CQ testing out Fox DMR on a radio tablet from 2E1CQ. Standing by.
Right.
No, somebody was already on it.
So you've got to
And what you probably have to do, you probably have to activate it or then come back. So I overdubbed somebody.
Was that Stephen? It was in and out like a fiddler's elbow. Try again, G5SCR.
And that's it. You can change sort groups by going back and changing it again. And go on different radio networks. Settings, you can set this for auto connect on here. PTT mode. To transmit. And that one. Set key not set. So if you click on that, you probably have to press any key to blind as a PTT. And as I already did a couple of times on the PTT, you've got it actually working. Oops. So that should already be there after I've come back. Now obviously they're not coming back. I'm not too sure the reason why. Not too sure if they're TX in them. I'm not. No, they're not. Don't think they're on at the moment. Let's try another talk group. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 5, 8. Which I do believe. Enter.
We had to look for them, and Tree had to look for them, and so, yeah, that's why I was, had to kind of wait on some stuff here. But that's all done up really good, so I'm in good shape there. Over.
Hopefully you can.
Yeah, roger that. Well, while you were looking for what you were looking for there, I turned the HF line. There is some people chatting on 40 meters, just down from where I usually leave my rig sit. So that's what I'm listening to right now. So there you go. I talked to Arnold while you were busy looking for your documents and whatever, and that. Okay, I'm having to go back to Saravaya. Well,
that's fantastic.
Travel safely. I know you and Sheree are both
right, I've got to end
safe drivers. And that, so we'll catch up with you.
Disconnect. And that's how it is on Fox DMR. Free download, Windows, mobile phone, and a tablet. Come out of this. There you go. That last audio did actually sound fantastic, my end. I'm not sure what you can hear yourself, but I believe it is the best DMR app in the world so far from what I hear. And there you go. Fox DMR. Download app without radio. Cheers guys. 73s. All the best. I should leave all the links in the description. And if you can subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. Cheers guys. All the best.